Good morning, children. Let us see exercise 4.3, question number 4. That is very much important in view of examination, children. The question is, the taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer, the fare is rupees 8, and for the subsequent distance, it is rupees 5 per kilometer. Taking the distance covered as x kilometer and the total fare as rupees y. Write a linear equation for this information and draw its graph. Children, let us see the pictorial representation of the question. That is, let us say ABC. ABC is a straight line that is representing the distance ACE, whose distance is x kilometer, that is denoted over here. Now, say children, this is what is this A to C. AC is x kilometer according to the question it is given. Clear? And here for AB distance denotes 1 kilometer distance. Clear? Whose fare is rupees 8. Specifically, it is given in the question. For the remaining distance, total distance is x kilometer. 1 kilometer is taken out from that. Clear? So the remaining distance is x minus 1 kilometer. For x minus 1 kilometer, fare is rupees 5 per kilometer, and for 1 kilometer it is rupees 8. For next x minus 1 kilometer, your fare is rupees 5 per kilometer and total distance is x kilometer. Let us solve the question according to the situations. Now solution, it is given in the question, distance covered equal to x kilometer, we have to take total fare equal to rupees y, we have to take fare for first kilometer rupees 8, it is given in the question itself. For the subsequent distance, fare is rupees 5 per kilometer. Now we have to frame the linear equation in two variables according to the given information. What is your equation, children? See, equation. Let us take the equation in terms of your this fare. For first kilometer, it is rupees 8. So fare is rupees 8. Rupees 8 multiplied by 1, that is fare for 1 kilometer. Rupees 8 multiplied by 1 for 1 kilometer, fare is rupees 8 plus the fare for the remaining distance, that is rupees 5 multiplied by x minus 1. See, this for 1 kilometer fare is rupees 8. For the remaining distance, that is x minus 1, fare is rupees 5 per kilometer. So for x minus 1 kilometer, fare is rupees 5. For 1 kilometer, fare is rupees 8. When both the fares added together, then the total fare becomes y. Is there any doubt? I hope no doubt will be there, children. 8 into 1, this is fare for 1 kilometer rupees 8 plus for remaining distance, that is x minus 1. Clear? Fare is 5 rupees per kilometer, 5 into x minus 1. Clear? Both the fares are added to become equal to the total fare given in the question, that is y. Now this is your linear equation. Now let us solve it to simplify. 8 1 is 8 plus this is 5x minus 5 equal to y. Now this implies this is y equal to what? 5x plus 3. What is this? Now you have seen that y equal to 5x plus 3. Let's once again, 8 1 is 8, 5x minus 5 equal to y. Then y equal to, it is 5x plus 3. This is your linear equation in two variables that has been framed according to the given situations, according to the given conditions. Now the next target is to draw the graph clear for given information for given linear equation. That is how to draw the graph. You know that it is already expressed clear in terms of dependent and independent variables. Here x is independent variable whose value you have to put on your own, and you will find the corresponding value of dependent variable, that is y over here. So let us take x equal to, let us take if x equal to 0, then what happens? Let us see. Then y equal to 5 into 0 plus 3. This implies that y equal to 3. Now if x equal to 1, then let us see, then what? Y equal to 5 into 1 plus 3, that is y equal to 5 1 is 5 plus 3 equal to 8, y equal to 8. Now if x equal to 3, then y equal to 5 into 3 plus 3, that is, children, x equal to 3. If x equal to 3, then y equal to 5 into you have taken x equal to 0, x equal to 1, and x equal to 2 you take. Let's take x equal to 2, then 5 2 is 10 plus 3, that is y equal to 3. X equal to 2 we have to take x equal to 2, then y equal to 5 into x plus 3, that is 5 into 2 plus 3, that is y equal to 5 to 10 plus 3, that is y equal to 13. Let us form a table here, that is x for x and y separately, that is x and y. X, value of x you have taken arbitrarily, that is 0, and you got y equal to 3, clear, and x equal to 1 if you put, then you got y equal to 8, x equal to 1, then y equal to 8, and if you put x equal to 2, then you got y equal to 13, y equal to 13. Children, let us now represent the information on this coordinate system, that is your ordered pair is 0 3. If x equal to 0, then y equal to 3. X equal to 0, let us see, x equal to 0, where is that? X equal to 0 is here, clear, and this y equal to 3, x equal to 0 and y equal to 3, it is over here, x equal to 0, y equal to 3. Now children, let us see, x equal to 0, y equal to 3 means point is lying on the y axis. X equal to 0, y equal to 3 means point is lying on the y axis, it is not in any quadrant. Now x equal to 1 and y equal to 8, x equal to 1 and y equal to 8, see. So let us see the perpendicular lines where they intersect each other. X equal to 1 and y equal to 8, that is this one, this point, x equal to 1 and y equal to 8. Now similarly, x equal to 2, y equal to 13, next order pair is x equal to 2 and y equal to 3, x equal to 2 and y equal to 13, sorry, x equal to 2 and y equal to 13, 13 is over here. So let us see the perpendicular distance from 2 and this perpendicular from distance from 13, clear, these both the perpendicular lines intersect each other at this point represent 2 and 13, clear. Now children, now you see that, see, these all the 3 points are collinear points. Collinear point means they are appearing on the same line. Then if you draw a straight line, then all the 3 points will come on the same line, so they are known as collinear points. And if you join a line passing through these points, then you get a straight line in this way. And this line children, this line represents linear equation, that is which one? Which linear equation? That is your what? Linear equation, that is y equal to 5x plus 3. This is y equal to 5x plus 3. Children, if you use your scale, then it will be a straight line. Okay? You will get a straight line, and that will represent what? A straight line, and that is the graph of y equal to 5x plus 3. So let us summarize the things. It is given that distance covered equal to 1 kilometer, total fare is rupees y, fare of first kilometer rupees 8, clear, and for fare of subsequent distance equal to rupees 5. So AC is the distance, clear, that is x kilometer. For first kilometer its fare is rupees 8, for x minus 1, that is remaining distance, fare is rupees 5 per kilometer, clear, and you wrote the equation, that is clear, for 1 kilometer 8 multiplied by 1 plus remaining distance x minus 1, fare is 5 rupees per kilometer, and when both the fares added together, then it becomes equal to the total fare y, and y equal to 5x plus 3. If x equal to 0, then y equal to 3 you got. If x equal to 1, then you got y equal to 8. If x equal to 2, then you got y equal to 13. Now you represented the equation, that is this one, in this way, 0 3 1 8 and 2 and 13. Then you got a straight line, that is what? That is the graph for y equal to 5x plus 3. Thank you children, thank you, and have a nice day.